One of my subscribers reached out to me and was like, I should do a video of how to do a speed up video using CapCut. So this is CapCut app right here. Click on new project, then select the video you want to use. So this is the video I want to use just for tutorial sake. So this is not like a normal video you get. So when you get here, just click on edit. So edit, you can see split, then the next one you see is speed. Click on speed. So you click on normal. Yeah, so if you want it to just be 1 times or 2x, 5x, 10x, you can put it anyone. You can adjust it to your taste or to how fast you want it to go. So let's just try this one of 2x and see how it goes. Okay, let me play the video normally first for us to see. Hi guys, welcome to my channel in Stories. If you are just coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the real OGs. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you guys. Peace out. Okay, so that's like playing it. That's the normal speed of the video. So if I want to increase the speed, then I just click on this edit here, speed. Yes, click on normal. Let's just say I want it to be 2 times fast. Okay, this is, I'm trying to fix it. 2 points. This is 2 times fast. So let's see how fast it can be. Yeah, can you see that's actually too fast? Yes. So let's increase it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel in Stories. If you are just coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the real OGs. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, so the point is not to make this video too long. So this is just how you do it, and you can also make it slower, like this one, 0.3x. Yeah, so let's just see. Wow, as you can see, this is actually so slow, like extremely slow. So this is where you do it. This is actually on slow mo, so you can actually put it whichever way, even if it's 100x. Let's see what 100x look like. Wow, it just got us to CapCut. Like, can you guys see? So fast. Wow, that was too fast. So that's just a very short tutorial. I hope this answered your question to my subscriber that asked me in the comment section on how to speed up a video using CapCut. So this is how you can do it. Just click on this edit and click on speed and follow my process. Thank you guys for joining my channel once again. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye.